prepare the pancake batter, and we will share you the recipe how to prepare the pancake batter in the link. And have some melted butter, and now take a frying pan and let it be heated in the low heat for some time, for 1 or 2 minutes, and apply the melted butter on it thoroughly on the frying pan. Now pour the pancake batter. After some time, flip it over. Once it is ready, take it into the plate and serve yourself with honey or ghee or butter or maple syrup according to your taste. Your delicious pancake are ready.